Mabel Canton Elementary. How are you doing today? I know you're disappointed. You really was hoping Mr. Morgan was going to be able to lead in the stretches today, but I was out jackhammering some stuff, and he stopped by and he said, Cousin Biff, is there any way that you can lead in our exercises today? And I said, well, yeah, I can do it. I got a little time in between construction jobs, and so I'm just going to have to, put my sledgehammer down, or my jackhammer, sorry. Get my tools mixed up once in a while. And I guess Mr. Morgan was babbling. Coach T was super excited. He finally beat his mom in arm wrestling last night. So he now has set his sights on beating his wife, Sarah, in arm wrestling. So Mr. Morgan is going out, giving him a private lesson on building some muscle. And so today, I'm a construction worker. We're here at one of my sites. You're going to get a construction worker workout. So I'm going to put this down, and we're going to get started. But before we get started, I want to make sure you're grabbing soup cans if you can, if you have them, or anything that you got to raise a little bit that has a little bit of weight. We're going to do a good arm workout too, and Coach T should probably watch what we're doing because he's going to get stronger. But if you got to hit pause and go get that, you can. If not, we're ready to get started. Every construction worker loves listening to 80s, so we're going to listen to some 80s music as we get started here. So, here we go. All right, so we're going to start out jogging in place. Great job, Mabel Canton Elementary. Woo! Here we go. We're going to go some loose arms, loose legs. Get everything kind of loosened up a little bit. You can move our arms in front of us. We can go around a little bit. That's fine. All right, the next thing we're going to do is something called the sledgehammer. We're going to pretend like we got a giant sledgehammer. And we're going to bring it over our head and bang the ground 5 times. Great job. 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to take that sledgehammer and go over on our other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Mabel Canton Elementary, great job. We're going to do some stomach stuff right away. All right, so we're going to lay down kind of flat on our back. We're going to start with our arms above our head. We're going to bring our feet up and kind of meet in the middle as high as we can. Those of you that are flexible are going to be able to get higher and maybe touch your toes. Those of you that aren't won't be able to. All right, we're going to do 20 of these. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Try not to touch your heels to the ground if you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half done. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we're coming back to that one here in a little bit. Woo! All right, what a great start to the workout. Next thing we're going to do is something called a jab, a cross, and we're going to kick forward. So our lead foot right now is going to be the foot that we kick with. So we're going to jab, we're going to come with a cross, and then my lead foot I'm going to kick forward with. We're going to do 15 of these. All right, here we go. So jab, cross, kick. That's 1. Here we go. Keep those hands up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Back on the ground. Do the same thing we did at the beginning. 20 of these again. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, Woo! Great job, guys. As always, gotta get some water. Drink some water. Us construction workers take lots of breaks in a day. Most of the time we're drinking water. All right, so now we're switching up. So jab, cross, and then a front kick again, okay? So again, the foot that I'm leading with right now is the foot I'm gonna kick with. So we got, let's do 15 of these. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 left, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Great job, great job, great job. All right. Now we're gonna do a plank for 25 seconds. We're gonna try and hold it for 25 seconds. Then we got 5 push-ups, and we're gonna do 2 sets of this. So we're gonna go into a regular plank, hands, elbows, try and keep it flat back. All right, here we go, 25 seconds. And again, if you need to hit pause, take a little extra break, you can. Here we go, 25 seconds. All right, go, great job. Try and keep a flat back. Here we go, great job. We're really hitting the core today here, elementary kids. Got about 5 seconds left. All right, next up, 5 push-ups. And again, if you got to do modified push-ups starting on your knees, you certainly can. I'm a construction worker, so I'm not doing those. Here we go. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got one more 25-second plank. One more 25-second plank. Here we go. Woo! Great job. I just feel myself getting in better shape here. Half done. 12 seconds left here, gang. 3, 2, 1. Great job. We got 5 push-ups left. 5 push-ups left. Great job. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Great job, great job. All right. Again, need a quick drink. Certainly take a quick drink. Woo! All right. Next thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna start with our feet a little more than shoulder width apart. Similar to our foot fire quarter turns. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say left or right. If I say left, I want you to bring your left foot forward, right foot back as fast as you can, kind of like this, and then back to our ready position. So if I say right, you're gonna bring your right foot forward and your left foot back. All right, let's see how this looks. We got 15 of these. We're gonna go as quickly as we can when we're told a direction. Here we go. Left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. All right. Great job, great job. We got one more set. One more set of those. Woo! Construction workers need a lot of skill. One of the things we got to do though is we got to be quick. We got to be quick on our feet, man. All right. One more set of 15. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right, left, 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 right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, right. All right, super job, super job. Woo, this is just awesome. Beautiful day out to be working outside. All right, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go one-legged kicks. We're gonna try and make it a little more challenging today. We're gonna start standing in a position just like this. I'm gonna do 10 with my right foot, and we're gonna try and not come down to the ground unless we have to. So we're gonna try and do 10 right-legged kicks. So So we're really working on our balance here. Really working on our balance. All right, here we go. Right foot first, or left, whichever one you want. 10 of these. Here we go. 1, 2, oh boy, wind blew me over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. You're gonna find out you might be better on one leg than the other. All right, so now I'm gonna balance on the other leg and kick with the opposite leg. Here we go. 10 of these, 10 of these. 1, 2. Now some of you are gonna get a lot higher. Some of you that are in glitter dance will probably be kicking above your head. 4, 5, 6, 7, oh boy, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I didn't hit once. My right leg must be better at balancing. That might be the same with you, maybe not. All right, here we go. Time to grab our soup cans right now. Time to grab our soup cans. I want to do a little bit of bicep workout. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of do 15 of these, just bringing it up nice and easy. The amount of weight isn't super important. All we want to do is just be getting a little bit of a bicep workout. It's kind of the bigger muscle on top of your arm. Some of you have bigger biceps than others. Doesn't matter the size. Just want to get stronger. Just want to get bigger. Last one. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to go to our bench or our chair. Some of you might be using a folding chair. Some of you might be using your couch, whatever it takes. We're going to do a tricep workout. 15 of these dips again. And again, if you want to straighten your legs, they're a little bit more challenging. If you want to have your knees bent, not quite as challenging. Still a great tricep workout. That's the muscle on the bottom part of your arm. All right, let's do 15 of these. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Back to the biceps. Back to the soup cans or whatever you're using to curl. Great job. Here we go. Here we go. Up, up. Woo! I'm getting skinnier everywhere. Even my head is losing weight. All right. Oh, no. That's all right. It'll stay on. Here we go. Curls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, back over to the bench. Here we go. Woo. Gotta keep this helmet on. Safety first. All right. Oh boy. Hey, everything's better with a little Bon Jovi, so it's all good. Here we go. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Woo! Great job. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab our soup cans again. We're going to do some lunges, but with weights now in our arms. So we're going to see how that goes. Again, we've done lunges a couple different times. We want to make sure that our knees don't come in front of our toes and our shoulders in front of our knees when we're doing these lunges. We want to try and pretend like we're dropping straight down and then coming straight up. Let me get my weights. Here we go. We're going to do 2 sets of 10. 2 sets of 10. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Great job. Switch legs now. Switch legs. Here we go. Straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 left. 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Great job. We got one exercise left, and then it's cool down time. We're gonna get a quick drink for that last little burst that we're gonna need here. Whew. Nothing better than some ice cold water when you're working out. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna take my soup cans, I'm gonna bend my knees just a little bit. I'm gonna start right in front of me, elbows are slightly bent, and I'm just gonna bring them up kind of like this. And we're gonna do 10 of these, rest, and then do one more set. So I think that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super important that I'm not swinging my back on that lift. We want the momentum coming from our arms, not our back. We don't want to be standing up and going back down when we're doing that lift. So we got one of those left, and then it's cool down time. Then I'm going to talk to my foreman about getting a new helmet. All right, here we go. Woo! I'm ready to do a lot of jackhammering the rest of the day, let me tell you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're going to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Great job. Whoa. One of you might grow up and be a construction worker. Great job. All right, let's cool down. Let's jog in place. Shake out our arms as we're jogging. You can move around a little if you want. Whew, I'm going backwards. Oh yeah, you can try that if you want. Don't run into anybody. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, some arm circles. Great job, on your own, on your own. Here we go, here we go. Last one. We're gonna do a little controlled stretching. Just gonna spread our feet out. We're gonna just lean in one direction. Nice job, nice and easy. Shouldn't be causing too much pain, just a nice relaxed stretch. Great job. We're gonna go the other direction. Here we go. I love it. All right, and straight down, straight down. Some of you are gonna be able to get to the ground, maybe put your knuckles on the ground. Whew. Important part is this is just a stretch, just nice and easy. All right, Mabel Canton Elementary construction workout from Biff Morgan. I know Cousin Lonnie's hoping to be back tomorrow. Keep our fingers crossed for us. All right, have a great workout. Rest of your day, Mabel Canton Elementary.